Welcome back everybody to another Thursday Tech Tips. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to uninstall and reinstall applications on your iPhone, or in this case, it would also translate over to the iPad. But for today's video, we're going to be focusing on the phone itself. So come join me and let's get started with this video. Alrighty, so first things first, when you are looking to remove or add applications to your phone, you're going to want to go to your phone's settings app. So right now I'm just opening up settings and we are going to scroll down. There's a few different ways you can do this. The first way I'm going to show you is through the menu. The second way I'm going to show you is going to be from just on the main screen of the phone. So we're going to go over to General and you're going to go into iPhone storage. And once this goes through and calculates what we have available here, we're going to be able to scroll down and we're going to be able to take a look at what we got working with. So you can see here that my phone has 85 out of 128 gigabytes used. It's a lot. I'm trying to free some stuff up. So we're going to just clear some things out today. So let's scroll down. We're going to remove an app that I don't use anymore. Let's see here. What's one that I haven't used in a long time? Clash Royale. So that's one of those games that I played for a while, stopped playing for a bit. Time to take it off the phone for a little while. So in the menu, when you click on the app that you're looking for, you see here that we have the option to reinstall the app, or we have the option to delete the app. Not a problem there. In this case, we don't want to reinstall it. You can see the little cloud symbol next to it. That means it's just offloaded off the phone. Well, in this case, we want to delete it. So we're going to say delete app, and we're going to delete again. And then that's going to remove the application off my phone. My phone's going to update and take us back to the main screen there. So next, what we want to do, you can see here in my app breakdown, I have a lot of apps on here. The second way that you can break down and delete these apps is if you're going into the phone. So say for an example, if I wanted to take one of these default apps off, so something that I don't use too often, I'm scrolling over to the far right of my screen to my app library. And let's go to creativity. And I don't use iMovie too much on my phone. So the way to get this off of here is you press and hold until it asks you what you want to do with the application. And then in this case, I'm just going to delete the app and delete its data. And if that's on the home screen, so let me just drag one of these apps I want to delete off onto the home screen here. Let's see, what do we got? Yelp. We don't want Yelp. So let's say if Yelp is on our home screen, right? So I just drag and drop that from the app library onto my home screen. You're going to want to press and hold that. And you're going to want to say edit home screen. And then you're going to hit the little minus. And then you're going to want to say delete app. And then it's going to ask you again. You can delete it. Super easy, very straightforward. And I'm just going to reorganize this here. Move that back over. And that's an easy way to be able to manage some storage on your device. Now, there are a few other ways you can look at some of this here. So if we go back into this iPhone storage part, we do have the options to be able to review attachments. It does sort it by the larger apps on your phone. So say, for example, Dokkan Battle is the biggest game on my phone. It's 10 gigabytes. That's a lot. My podcasts, I have some saved. Photos, I have some stuff saved in there. You can see, like, if you break down and go through and start deleting some of these smaller apps, it could really help. That's it. That's it for today's video. That was a really quick one. I know that some of these can be kind of quicker, but if it helps you guys in the long run, it's something that I want to be able to do to help you guys. So until next time, everybody, keep creating, save the pain from those facepalm moments, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.